Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to factorize this particular algebraic expression. Well, I saw that there is a common factor 4 and x, so this is what is going to happen. I will take out the common factor 4 and the common factor x, and I'm left with 3, 12 divided by 4 is 3, x squared, I've taken out 1x, I'm left with 1 inside, minus 4x, I have taken out already, I'm left with y. And there's no other way we can factorize this further, so this will be the final answer. We have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.